Not just gorgeous views, expensive sheets, but the smell.
What's wrong with the smell?
Well, nothing. There is no smell. That's the point. It's like blank billboard on Madison Avenue. Empty real estate going to waste.
Go on.
Well, when you're selling a house, the one thing you should do is bake cookies. The smell reminds people of home and warmth and sugar and butter and a happy place. You need some cookies, Randy. This is Antoine Lambert, the proprietor and master nose of Maison Laveau.
Enchanté, Randy.
Oh, and this is the head of Savoir, Sylvie Gretteau.
Enchanté. Enchanté. So we have the head and the nose. What does that make you?
Mouth?
I thought she was the legs.
Okay, shall we get started?
Suivez-moi.
Creating a scent is like writing a symphony. I'll give you another example. For our current signature scent de l'heure, we started with a simple melody. Top notes of bergamote, mandarin, vetiver. The middle notes are considered the heart of the fragrance. Ylang ylang, Provençal lavender. And then, for some depth and richness, base notes of indole, which surprisingly has the same